If you think Green Day are sellouts, oh man, are you going to love this video. All joking and product placement aside, I am a small creator. This channel makes about $100 a month on a good month, and I just do it because I have a lot of fun making videos. I want to get paid to talk about music, and that's what this channel is about. It's about having fun and making money talking about music. And I've never really partnered with anybody. I've never had any advertisers or anything like that. I am monetized on YouTube, but that's been about it. I haven't sold any merchandise, and I haven't been plugging a whole lot of stuff on the YouTube, only when I feel like it. But came across this pretty good opportunity from Dubby. You guys might have been seeing the advertisements or just me mentioning Dubby on the channel. And I just got my first shipment. So after today, after this video, I can actually practice what I preach. I didn't get this for 100% free. It was a a coupon code like the one I've been giving you guys. Every song ever gets you 10% off. I put in a code that they gave me as a creator and for being a YouTuber, and it gave me a tumbler, a large container, and then I think 3 sample packets and maybe another coupon in there for some stuff. So let's just dig into this and see what this stuff is and see if I actually like it, since I've been telling you guys to drink it, right? So this is really cool. No smell yet, but we got the limited edition Shadow Monarch Surge. What else we got? We got the tumbler. You always need stuff to drink out of, right? You got Dubby, the Dubby tumbler. The s'mores. I know I've been telling you guys about the s'mores one, even though I've never tasted any of these yet. Alright, and then we got Dragonade. Free sampler. Then we got the Galaxy Grenade. And finally, we got the Beachin' Peach. The Beachin' Peach. But you know what? Sampling a sample is not high enough energy pumping. That doesn't give us any of the the stakes aren't high enough. The cow chunks are not high enough. I'm a little we got I see some powdery residue. I see some powdery residue there. That's a very good sign. Very well packaged. I've been messing with this one, so it was well packaged. Okay, that was interesting. It's like very, very sweet tart, very, very sweet smell. Let's see what we got in here. Wise Mini contains harmless sorbent for product freshness. I would not, do not eat. Ne comor. Ni pas avalor. Do not eat. No comor. Do not eat that. Just put it on your Who records over there. Preferably the Odds and Sods collection. A little scooper. Okay, we got a little scooper here. The stakes are high when you got a scooper here. Okay. It does smell like a blue raz purple grape. We're gonna figure out how to make this in our we're just gonna make one right now, okay? Let's go do it. Come with me, you tired souls. We gotta get to the kitchen, I think. I think I can walk through my house backwards. Can you guys do that? Well, oh, what do I step in? Oh, clay, of course. Okay, well maybe the camera needs to go over there. You guys need to go over there. So, can you hear me? We need to mix 1 scoop of Dubby with 10 to 16 ounces of water or beverage of choice. You can mix it with anything. New users or those sensitive to stimulants should start with half servings to assess their personal tolerance. Consume prior to completing a task. Okay. I didn't have any freaking cold water, so I put ice in regular water. That's that'll work, right? That's, oh yeah, that's cold. That was 8 ounces. Here's 8 more. Oh, hey, it caught the ice. Sweet. Sweet mother of goodness. Oh, it has the measurements on here. Oh, okay. Okay, back to the office we go to see how things go, because this is where I'm most comfortable. This is where I'm most comfortable doing honest reviews. So again, this is the Blue Raz Purple Grape. I put the powder in the keg and lit the fuse. You guys like Linkin Park? How does this operate? Okay, pretty good. Okay, let's shake it up. Oh! You probably don't need to shake it that hard. Okay. It's pretty cold. I got pretty cold water using ice. Crunchy rolls. It says crunchy rolls on there. I don't know what that means. Okay, it said a little bit of goop at the bottom is normal. Purple. All right. You guys ready? This drink could determine whether I become a trillionaire or not. All right. Pretty tasty. It's like it is literally. And you could mix it to taste. You know, it says you could do less or more without exceeding the recommendations, of course. But I did 1 scoop in about 16 ounces of water, and it tastes pretty good. I feel like I could do a little less or a little more, but we still have to see like what the effects are, right? Like, does this actually give me gitterless energy? Does it give me jittery energy? But as far as just the most important thing, which is taste, it tastes really good. It's really sweet. It's got a strong flavor, but it's not overpowering. Blue Raz Purple Grape, pretty darn good drink. Pretty cool little tumbler here. And, you know, we can just do some ASMR and just, you know, you guys can just listen to me gulp this stuff down. Very good. I'm trying to think of what it tastes like exactly. It's just pretty good purple drink. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. You can see it didn't leave a whole lot. There's like one little purple nugget there. But I got most of that inside my system. So now I'm going to go and see how I feel in a little while. So, as you can see from the montage, I cleaned my entire house after ingesting Dubby Shadow Monarchy Surge, and I'm going to tell you about how it went. So, I drank the energy drink, which tasted really good. It's like the main thing that it reminds me of is sweet tarts. And this is what I did after drinking the energy drink. Now it says that, you know, it kicks in between, 15 and 30 minutes for most people. Could take a little bit longer depending on your usage of coffee and stuff like that. But I drank, you guys saw, I drank this. And I waited a few minutes and then I cleaned my entire house. And I have a 3-bedroom, 1-bath house. It's about 1,000 square feet. And I cleaned the entire house except for the 3rd bedroom. I cleaned the living room. I cleaned the kitchen, which was a lot of dishes. I cleaned the bathroom. I cleaned my bedroom. I cleaned this office. And my son's room, it's going to need to wait till another day. But yeah, I didn't feel jittery. I didn't feel bad at all. And I think that Dubby actually did help me be a little bit more productive and not kind of get sluggish through the process. So I did have a lot of music playing. Obviously, I'll have to cut that out. But I listened to a lot of really great stuff when I was doing it. And so ultimately, I do think I am comfortable recommending Dubby. I think it's like I said, my main thing is it tasted great. It was not jittery, and I cleaned most of my house off one container. Now I wanted to give you guys a little bit of information without just peddling this stuff on you, just so you know that I'm being honest about what's on the label. So this contains 30 scoops. We got vitamin C at 278%, vitamin B3 at 94%, vitamin B6 412%, and vitamin B12 4,167%. You got some whole coffee fruit extract, 100 milligrams, and let's see what else we got. Malic acid, citric acid, natural flavors, sucralose, silicone dioxide, fruit and vegetable powder for color. And I think you guys can, I'll just give that shot to you right there. It doesn't seem to have anything that you should be concerned about in it. Manufactured in Laguna Beach, California. Formulated in the USA. Pretty cool there. It is gitterless energy blend, so that is true. Dietary supplement. And like I said, it tasted good, had no negative effects, and I am totally comfortable peddling this here on the channel, and I'm going to do so while I'm making my regular content about trying to listen to every song ever. I think this might give me the boost to keep going in that endeavor and keep hearing new music and new bands and stay excited as I go into my 4,000th year on this earth.